China is limiting the export of critical minerals used in many high-tech electronics, from fighter jets to wind turbines. While China's mineral restrictions may sound scary, the reality is that they haven't been very effective in China's cracking down on exports of rare earth elements. The move is designed to choke off American companies. The US and other countries will be forced to ramp up domestic mining or reduce their dependence on rare earths. The export controls cover samarium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, lutetium, scandium, and yttrium. There are 17 rare earth elements in total, but the Chinese government China processes pretty much 100% of the world's heavy rare earths, says Bhaskaran. Last year, the United States imported about $170 million worth of rare earth elements. Heavy rare earth elements are added as sort of a spice, a doping agent, to maintain the magnetism of the magnet at high temperatures. These magnets can be found in electric vehicles and consumer products like vacuum cleaners. Beyond magnets, the impact of losing access to heavy rare earth elements would be somewhat manageable for American companies. In the past, China's critical mineral restrictions haven't worked very well. The price of critical minerals has increased only slightly since the policies were first implemented. Whatever they did in 2023 hasn't really changed the status quo of the market, says Lange. Tesla announced in 2023 that it had reduced the use of them in its EV motors by 25%. The carmaker hasn't clarified what it would use instead, but experts speculate it could be turning to other types of magnets. The mining industry was pushed out of the West because it doesn't generate much value and is also extremely polluting. In the past, efforts to build up the critical minerals supply chain in the US have either been slowed down, or if China succeeds in strictly enforcing its export control policies, it might provide just enough incentive for the US government and private companies to reshore the mineral refining industry. If that happens, Lange says, it could take about 2 years for